Introducing our automated lateral flow assembly service. Using our in-house engineering and automation expertise, we now automatically assemble, print, and package lateral flow rapid tests with minimal human contact in a climate-controlled environment. We assist partners, both large and small, with cassette design, molding, scaling to high throughput assembly, and custom kitting. Strips are cut to exact specification and precisely placed into the cassette base. A custom printed cassette top is assembled onto the base. Completed cassettes are packaged with a desiccant in custom printed pouches and tested for proper seal. Our assembly lines have multiple inline vision systems to automatically inspect all cassettes and reject those that are out of spec without slowing the assembly process. Finished cassettes are then shipped to our partners. Custom printing capabilities include logos, barcodes, lot and expiration information. Tests that require an accurate blood sample will be optimized by pairing our MicroSafe blood handling device available through our subsidiary SafeTech. Drummond Scientific, dependable, conscientious, innovative.